JJS. Our core aim is to ensure right first-time quality, on time, in full delivery. To ensure we achieve this, every assembly goes through our NPI process to guarantee control and consistency through the lifetime of your product. Work orders and documentation for all new builds are colour-coded red, with each stage of the process signed off by an NPI engineer. Full traceability for every component and process step is provided through unique bar-coded serial numbers applied to every board. Should an issue occur, we are able to trace components back to source and identify the operator responsible for the build. We use the same equipment on each surface mount line to eliminate bottlenecks created by having unique equipment. Our surface mount cell operates 2 shifts, 16 hours per day, offering maximum flexibility in building low to medium volume, high complexity boards, working down to 01005 case size and micro BGA technologies. Our Deck Horizon printers are equipped with Hawkeye, Gridlock and Proactive to ensure perfect paste application every time. Every board we manufacture is inspected by automated optical inspection. Fine pitch and Ursa scope inspection is also used to ensure each PCBA is built to the IPC 610 standard. Our staff are IPC qualified and attend regular training courses. With a 40-strong hand assembly team and 3 flow solder machines, we ensure our through-hole capability is equally strong and flexible. We have in-house capability to write and design either flying probe or full ATE test solutions, in addition to having JTAG capabilities.